No, where am I at? White Westinghouse, refrigerator, and it's limited warranty. And so, what the fucking chance? Paper stickers wasn't any more durable material in the world. And what? Paper trips? No, it's mine. I always loved her. From my childhood. Yes. Electrical control. Maybe checks. Or even... It's not a fuse, I guess. Not getting hot enough. There isn't any enough pressure built up in this poor honey. I need to summon my bottle, get here and feed it for me. And I did the PSI plug so many years ago. Here. And like your tire valves. Is there any leak in here? It's somehow oily. Maybe leftover from centuries. These fittings are so tight. I soldered it into the compressor. Thank you guys.